How to fix Instagram automatic turn off problem. So if you're facing the issue where Instagram is automatically turning off, I'm going to show you a few ways on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is head over to your settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Here you want to search for Instagram. Now once this has been opened, you want to tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and then tap on clear data. So here you want to delete all of your data. Now go back and then tap on permissions. Here you want to make sure that everything is allowed. So as you can see, everything is allowed in my settings. So if there is any permission which is not allowed, such as microphone, location, camera, make sure that it is allowed. Once you have done that, let's go back and now go to Play Store. On your Play Store, you want to search for Instagram. Here, if there is update button, you want to tap on it and update your Instagram to the latest version. That is going to fix the bugs. So if the update feature is not available right now, it means that your Instagram is already updated, so you can skip this process. Once this is done, you want to switch off your mobile phone and then switch it on. After this, you want to log into your Instagram with your number or email, and after that your issue will get fixed. If it is still not fixed after switching on your mobile phone, you can simply uninstall Instagram and then install it again from Play Store, and that should fix this issue. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.